Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to day 28 of this 30 days of yoga, where we are tapping into the energies of the 5 elements of Panchabhuta. We are at the end of this series, just 2 days away. Thank you for your time. Thank you for showing up for your practice. In today's session, we're going to work on the grounding energies of the element earth, and we're going to cultivate this in our practice. So at the end of the session, you're going to feel stable, strong, centered, grounded in all that you do. So we're going to begin this session by coming to lying down on the mat. Slowly roll down. Legs are wide. Legs flop to the side. Hands come to rest next to you, palms facing the ceiling. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Completely exhale through your mouth. This time, as you breathe in, just imagine you're drawing all this energy from the earth beneath you. And exhale. Letting your whole body go heavy on the mat. Once again, breathe in. And breathe out. The next time you breathe out, just releasing all the tension, tightness, any aches and pains from your body. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale. Slowly open your eyes, bend your knees, hug your knees towards your chest, letting your lower back press into the mat. Breathe in and breathe out. Arms like the letter T. Drop your knees to your right. Inhale. As you exhale, turn and look towards your left. Stay there for another breath. Come back to center. This time, drop your legs to the other side. Turn and look towards your right fingertips. Breathe in as you breathe out, just relaxing your body to let your legs sink further towards the left side. One more breath in and breath out. Hug your knees, slowly come up to rolling. Drop your knees to either side. Reach your hands forward, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your foot. As you breathe in, create length. Breathe out, collapse further. Slowly come up. Adjust if you need to adjust. Straighten your right leg. Bend your left knee and stack it over your right knee. Your left heel is towards your right hip. Now the other leg. So you're trying to stack one knee over the other. Sit tall. Now whichever leg is on top, reach that hand up towards the ceiling. Breath in, create length in your spine. Relax your shoulders as you breathe out. One more breath in. As you breathe out, bend your knees, drop it, the space between your shoulders. Now, take your right hand, turn the palms away from you. Roll your shoulder blades towards the midline. Bring it at your waist, and if you can, take it and try and see to touch your fingertips. At no point are you bending your chin. Look up. It doesn't matter if it doesn't touch. Interlace your fingers, pull and hold. Breathe in. Very slowly exhale through your mouth to relax all your muscles. Inhale, create length. Exhale, release. With your left, you're trying to hold your right shoulder blade with your right, hold your left shoulder blade. Drop your chin to chest. Trying to bring your elbows towards your knee. Breathe in. Breathe out, or if this is uncomfortable, just stay here. Drop your chin towards your chest. Release. Now, with your right hand, hug your left knee, turn and twist. See if you can bring your toes in line with your knees. If you can, hook that elbow on the outside. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. One more breath in. And out. Release. Straighten the left leg. The right leg. Right heel towards your groin. Inhale. Reach your hands up. Exhale. Janu Shirshasana. Hold forward. Reaching your palms towards your heel. Take it as far ahead as you can. Bend your elbows, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knees. As you breathe in, create length. As you breathe out, sink further into the pose. Now bring your gaze towards your toes. Walk your hands back and slowly roll up. Very important that, especially when you're holding your pose for long, important that you slowly come back. Straighten the left leg, right leg as wide as you can. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, forward. Arms in line with your ears. Breathe in, breathe out. If there's too much of a stress on the inside of your knee, you can always keep your knees slightly bent. Slowly, you're going to roll up, come up, bring both your legs together. Inhale, up, exhale, Paschimottanasana. Chin to chest, forehead to knee. Stay here for 2 or 3 breaths. Letting your legs feel completely supported by the ground. Inhale, up, exhale, drop your hands down. Now, what we're going to do is bend our right knee, stack it over the left. Left heel comes on the outside of your right hip. Now the leg that's on top, you're going to reach that hand up towards the ceiling. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, lengthen. As you breathe out, drop it to the inside of your the space between your shoulder blades. Now, stretch that left hand, palms turning out. Bend at the elbow. One hand may feel different than the other. And gaze forward. one, release. With your left, grab hold of your knee, turn and twist. If this is comfortable, see that your seat is not lifting up, pressing that into the earth. You can always hook your elbow on the outside and turn and look. See that you're not leaning back, you're not raising your shoulders relaxed. 2 and 1. Release. Release your left leg. Right heel comes towards your groin. Sit tall. Breathe in. Reach up. Breathe out. Forward fold. Janu Shirshasana. Chin to chest. Forehead to knee. Remember, you can stay up here, still get all the benefits of the pose. It can be high up here. So it's really important that you listen to your body. Roll up. Release your leg wide as you can. Breath in, reach up. Breathe out. Fold forward, palms press into the earth. Walk it forward. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back up. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Reach your hands forward. Baddha konasana. I'm not bringing my heel close. I'm trying to maintain a little bit of gap. You can see the color of your mat between your legs and thighs. Reach. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, just letting go of any tightness, any stretch. Could be on the inside of your thighs, your groin, your back. For each of us, it's different. So just observe and just imagine or visualize that you're letting go of all the stress. Breathe in and breathe out. Press your palms into the mat. Slowly, you're going to come up, roll up. Bring your seat closer to your heel. Come to lie on your back. Legs spread out. Hands come to rest on your belly. If your lower back is arching, you can always place a small towel or a small pillow. Take another deep breath in and exhale. As you breathe out, just let go of any tightness, tension in your muscles. Again, breath out. If you feel any aches and pains in your joints, just letting go of that. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through your mouth. Just letting your body sink into the mat. Deep breath in. And this time, as you breathe out, just letting go of thoughts that don't serve you. The hardest to do, but the most important.
I like bringing my attention to one part of my body. Focus on that part. Could be your chest, abdomen. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, your abdomen. Every time you get distracted, bring your awareness back to that area. That's one way of letting go of any thoughts of the monkey mind. Slowly take the support of your hands, bring your thighs together, hug your knees towards your chest. Point your toes away from you, towards you. Cross at your thighs. With your right, grab your left foot. With your left, grab your right foot. And here, if for any reason we can't reach, use a pillow so you can raise your head, pull and hold. Breathe in, completely breathe out. Release. Hug your knees to your chest. This time, the other leg. Grab and pull. Just the opposite side, this time, right over left. Whatever you've done, just do the opposite of it. Release. Legs to either side. Arms come to rest next to you. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. So bring both your feet together. Right hand comes to the floor behind you. Bend your left knee, turn over to the right side and slowly come up to sitting. Sit with your back straight. Hands come to rest on your thigh. Bring the tip of your ring finger to touch the tip of your thumb. Close your eyes. You can take a deep breath in. Chant one round of Om. Slowly, palms come in front of you, rub your palms together. Open your palms, open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you think this video is going to help somebody you know, please share. Your support means the world to me. Namaste.